Good morning. I just got long dust here, 1,500 shares at 23.76. Currently up around 133 on the trade. Okay, we're continuing to get a little push up here. Currently up 333 in the trade. As I said yesterday in my video, you can see the gold chart down here. It has gapped again and has gone parabolic. I do expect a very nice trade out of dust today. We are going to give it some time to work, but currently the next resistance is around 24.35 or maybe 24.10. Let's just play it out and see how it works. Currently still have 1,500 shares. It has had a nice move here on the 5-minute chart. Like to trade around the core position today, but let's just see how it plays bar by bar. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and close out the trade just because it's had a nice parabolic move into the open. So that was dust, just sold all at 24.11. That was a $538 trade that took around a total of 10 minutes, if that. So I do think that it's going to have a larger move, but the reason I got out is because it had a very nice leg, and we can see from yesterday it's about the average size move for the day before it pulls back, and here it just did the same thing. So if I do want to play this longer, again, I'm going to see if I can wait for a pullback and the setup. So you can see exactly why I sold there. Almost got the top tick. It's been around 20 minutes later. This thing has gone straight down. Don't know why specifically, don't really care. But the reason I sold was because of a move that went parabolic straight up and very volatile, which cannot be sustained. So, just wanted to point that out. Had a good trade. You can't get greedy. Just got to take your profits when you think the stock might turn. Okay. I did just get long again on dust. It has pulled back near to the low of the day. Going to see if we can get a reversal. Currently have 500 shares at 23.55. Willing to add shares if it can show some strength or give a setup. Okay, I just added another 500 shares. Reason I added is because of this bar break, meaning that the current bar broke the previous bar's high, and hopefully we get a little trade here. Currently I have 1,000 shares. 23.58. Okay, it's been around 2 hours, 2.5 hours. We've been just slowly grinding down. However, gold was making new highs and this was not making new lows, and so we just got some nice volume come in here as gold started to come off. I did add another 1,500 shares, so I have 2,000, average 23.53, currently down around $160 in the trade. So we'll see how this ends up. I think if gold is able to come off here, we should have a pretty nice trade. So by the way, what I was describing with gold making new highs and dust not making new lows is what we call a divergence. In this case, it would be bullish because gold making new highs, the gold miner and bear likely should be making new lows, but not necessarily. But I took that as a bullish divergence in my case, and a reason to add shares as well as the volume coming in. So you got to put a lot of things together sometimes to make a good case for your trade, which allows you to put on more risk due to more conviction in the idea. Okay, just went green on the trade, and gold you can see is starting to come off nicely. It is below its 5-period 20 moving average, and here we go. So I think this could be a big trade, but let's see what it brings. We have 2 hours left in the day, up around 230 in the trade. Okay, you can see gold coming off very nicely here. Still waiting for a bigger move out of this, but we'll see what we can get. But this is what I was planning on. Okay, just got a huge volume spike here after it made a move and flag. This is exactly what I'd like to see for a move higher. Currently up 470. Okay, that trade didn't manifest as well as I liked. Maybe on Monday. Anyway, got out for around a $300 win. Total up 927 on the day. I'll take that to the end of the new year. Hope you guys have a good end of the year. See you back on Tuesday. Later.